and it was almost surreal because we were fine in Texas and Louisiana. Like I remembered having a chat with Dave, my drummer, while we were pumping gas in Louisiana, and I was just out there, short sleeve shirt, just shooting the breeze. And then when we got back, or when we got up, I think somewhere's past Montgomery, Alabama, is when we hit that snowstorm head on. And we were in a borrowed motorhome from somebody, like this rickety held together thing. And we're just all holding on for dear life.
No snow tires. I mean, probably crappy generic tires.
Yeah, it was a sight. And then we've also had some really good times too. Like two-time Grammy Award winner Wild Bill Perkins, the great Tejano trumpet player, showed up to our gig in Austin, Texas.